Praise Gaben. Holy shit, this thing's heavy.
Is it heavy?
Oh my god.
I'm assuming it didn't work. This music is creepy.
God, this thing is so heavy. It is not gonna hang off that. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's not gonna hang off that.
Call out.
Holy shit, this is heavy.
That thing is freaking huge.
That's fucking heavy. Holy shit, that's heavy. Oh, that's a lot.
Holly's like, what is that? Is it treats? I don't like this music.
I was hoping the bag weighed something, and it doesn't.
That is ridiculous.
Wow.
I want to feel how heavy.
The new plastic smell.
Oh my god, there's no way that's going up there. Up there, I think not.
Somehow.
No, there's no way.
Somehow.
You're gonna have to call Alan.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. But it'll make it. Somehow.
You need to have Randall over here.
At least I'm getting solid state, so that'll take off some weight.
Not much.
About a pound. Alright, kill the bit.